The features we've talked about to this point are no doubt big improvements, but this next one, it's gonna change the game. What's up guys, today we find ourselves in the same exact spot as we were 8 years ago when we launched the engineered beam technology. That was a very special day for Diamond C and for the trailer industry when we launched that technology. We've continued to evolve the engineered beam. It doesn't look a lot different sitting here, but the metal itself, going to a grade 80 10 gauge material in the neck and grade 100 in the frame, making it even lighter and stronger, delivering on that same promise. But where we spent the last few years is in the component side of things, really waging war on the crappy components that the industry has been held hostage by. So starting at the front, we've got the Curt cushion coupler, which is an innovation in and of itself that replaces the old tired gooseneck couplers of the decades old, right? You've got a hard rigid coupler mounted on a hard rigid ball on a stiff suspension of a heavy duty truck, and what does that equate is to a hard ride. So the Curt cushion coupler, this cavity right here, you can see a pin. This cavity is filled with rubber so that as the trailer travels down the road, you've got that kind of fore-aft buck. The rubber absorbs some of that energy, giving you a much better ride. It's also an easy latch coupler, so it goes on and off the ball super quick. The cool thing is this is standard equipment. Only one in the industry to have a ride enhancing coupler as standard. Another huge improvement is the sealed modular wiring harness. It's automotive grade from tip to tail. It's all plug and play, no hardwired connections. You got this cool magnet, so whenever you're unhooking, simply stick your nose lead up against the trailer. This is a cold weather harness, and also a really cool feature is it is plug and play in terms of adding accessories to it. If you got a set of work lights you want to put on it, whatnot, easy, just plug in, no hard wiring. So let's talk jacks. This is one of my favorite updates that we've done is the Simol 20K jack. As you guys know, there was tons of room for improvement when it comes to gooseneck trailer jacks, and so the Simol 2-speed jack is the answer. It's 20,000 pound rated jack per each. It's got the galvanized drop leg, but the cool thing is these are 2-speed that work really well in low and high, raising and lowering. So massive upgrade. These are standard equipment on the FMAX trailer starting in January of 2026. Now let's talk suspension. So we've got this SRHD slipper roller heavy duty. So what's the difference in slipper roller and traditional slipper spring suspension? The slipper roller actually has rubber bushings mounted in the front hanger, the main equalizer bolt, and in the back of the equalizer itself. So when it articulates, again, it's kind of a hybrid between spring suspension and torsion. That rubber absorbs a lot of that energy, making it ride better. Then when you bring in the roller, it's actually got a roller built into the front of the equalizer and in the rear hanger. So when the suspension articulates, the spring glides against that roller. What does this do? Ultimately, it makes the suspension last a lot longer, longer service intervals, less cost down the road, then also makes the trailer ride better. So when you take this suspension and pair it with that Curt cushion coupler, you got one of the best riding goosenecks on the market. The features we've talked about to this point are no doubt big improvements, but this next one, it's gonna change the game. In early 2026, Diamond C will be the first in open steel trailer history to have an ABS braking system as standard equipment on AK axles all the way up for a towing experience like you've never felt before. Thanks for watching guys, and we'll see you on the road.